Apple bounced from our 130 to 137 price targets. The stock reported earnings on July 28 after hours. The stock had been reaping since then. Just how good were their earnings? This is Apple stock earnings snapshot. It's mixed earnings, really. Revenues are up 2%, EPS is down from 1.3 to 1.2. Net income is down 11%, profit margin is down 3%, free cash flow is up 9.42%, and free cash flow margin is up 2%. Mixed earnings, I say, because I don't pay for revenues, I pay for EPS margins, net income, and free cash flow. Consumer spending is still there, but I think it will plateau from here, if not drop significantly. My PE assumption last quarter was around 22, always the lower band of the margins. My fair price then was 137. Now it's down to 135. It's because the EPS went down, and I still use the same margin from last quarter. You can change these assumptions though, up to you, but this is for long-term entry already. This is Apple stock valuation summary and the multiples you're agreeing to paying for the stock at the current price of $162.51. This is updated already from the recently reported earnings. This is overvalued now, but to tell you honestly, this PE of 26.85 is not as overvalued as one would think. I'd say it's quite reasonable, it's tradable, but the PB ratio here is too high for my liking, 45.42. That's just too high. I won't recommend adding to your positions here at these prices. If you had bought the stock any price below 137 or 130, around those prices, just like I've been saying before, it's in the videos, that is for long-term hold already. At these prices, if you're ever putting money here, let it be known that it's for a trade. I think Apple should trade sideways from here and shouldn't make new highs, but the markets could be very irrational at times. Anything is possible anyway. I think it's still a great quarter for Apple. I just don't know if we're feeling the tightening here just yet, but definitely we're seeing some slowdown on the consumer spending. Again, Apple 135 long-term entry.